I hope you find this information useful or helpful. If you decide to apply for any of these two roles, go ahead and leave me a feedback. Let me know how that goes. Until we meet again, be kind to each other. Thanks. The next opportunity we want to talk about today is with Netflix. When you get to their career page, we're going to talk about the external support engineer. Now, this is a remote position, and the external support engineer is responsible for helping and supporting external content creation teams that use the tools for internal development teams. So you're working between basically a liaison between the technical team and the more like a business team. So essential function responsibility is provide technical support to content external team in regards to use of content tool, create reference material and provide training, solve and debug problem issue with tools and workflows, escalate more complex or problematic issues to tool development tools. So you'll advocate for tools, partners with other engineers, guide or lead cross-disciplinary dialogue to drive features from initial concept to completion. Now for the skills and ability to read and understand C# code. Now, if you understand some of this, it's definitely a plus point, but this should not be a showstopper. I mean, you just need to understand the code. You won't be necessarily coding those or fixing those. Yeah, you'll have the dev team who should be helping you in these, or who will be helping you in these. Good written verbal communication, positive attitude, and ability to receive and provide objective and constructive feedback, self-motivating, and able to prioritize. So if you look at the education experience level, the computer science related degree or equivalent work experience. So if you have some technical knowledge and worked in this kind of roles, this will definitely be a good fit. Experience supporting a live service or tool, experience with Jira, Confluence, or other tracking. So these are tracking softwares where you log in a ticket for any issues or put in the requirements for what the dev team needs to do, and then they take information from there and create that vision into reality using the coding or the programming. Uh, Position type and expected hours of work. So the hours are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. CST. Now, the salary range they have listed here is typically from 150 to 325. Yes, it's a big number and a great role to grow financially as well as your career. So, if you decide to go ahead with this, definitely go ahead and apply. There is the basic questionnaire and information that you'll probably need to provide, and you can apply with LinkedIn. So, if you have that user created for yourself in LinkedIn, your profile created, then go ahead and apply. Otherwise, yeah, you can manually input that information. So I hope you find this useful. So the first role or opportunity we're talking about is with TikTok. I'm sure everybody's familiar with that. They have a lot of rules listed. So right now I'm just showing for Nashville, but you can see there's a lot of locations you can look for and a lot of different roles. The one we are talking about is the customer service training program manager. Now, this is the role which requires some experience in program and project management. Uh, what they are looking for is responsibilities is develop and define training strategy, execution framework, identify business critical learning needs, prioritize and approve budget resources. So you're basically managing all the training from budget, from resource allocation to strategy. It's more like running your own department and area. So you will be responsible for a lot of things here. Effectively and proactively manage training projects involving entire project lifecycle. Act as a consultant to the other customer service personnel. Ensure appropriate member of the team pre-release products in area of training responsibility. Analyze the effectiveness of training and recommend ways to increase return on investment, gather, prioritize, and approve new non-strategic critical learning needs. So these are some of the areas where you will be responsible for, and the qualification they are looking for is bachelor degree, detail oriented, 3 to 5 years of experience in coaching and training. So if you have been in those areas and any of the roles where you help to train or get new people on board, you will have some experience in this area. So you would understand what it entitles to run that team and help in training systems and processes for the new training program manager role. Other qualification is excellent written and spoken communication, project management experience, understanding of particulars of cross-function, cross-geography project coordination, experience working with and managing remote and virtual teams, experience in the e-commerce industry, and if you know a second language, then definitely that's a plus point there. Some about their team is e-commerce, governance, and experience is a global team responsible for ensuring marketplace is safe and trustworthy. We value our user satisfaction and work policies. Service and experience team is a part of the GNE organization. GNE is again governments and experience for the e-commerce. Our mission is to provide world-class service and experience for customers, seller, and creators. So if you think you like this role and have interest in this, definitely go ahead and apply for this. Just for a salary idea, though, I looked up at Glassdoor, and some of the training program manager roles in TikTok runs from 125K to 145K. So if that's for 15 plus experience, the experience is 135 to 158. So if you have experience in this area and you like to continue your journey in the same field, then definitely go ahead and apply. And holding an experience give you a good push for negotiating a better salary. So if you decide to go ahead with it, let me know how that goes. Well, hello, my friends. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Life with Samitaga. This is your friend and host, Samit. Today, I bring a lot of great opportunities with Netflix and TikTok. Before we jump into those, hit the like and subscribe button and the notification button so that you know when the new videos come out. Okay, let's just jump into those rules.